Hi traders, Joseph here from Eightcap. Today we're looking at the dollar CAD. It's the daily chart in front of us, and we're trying to start to just think about whether the current extension higher is basically running out of steam. We can see it's stopped at a historical resistance point after gaining 2.5%, and then we've seen this current move lower. Now that move lower is spawning another failed rally on Friday. It did start to reinforce that support from 1.4013 to 1.4015. Today, though, at the moment, we're seeing another failed Asian session rally turn into a bit of selling. Still a touch early. We're still, well, a bit off an hour until the European session starts, and then close to 2 hours till London opens. But it's definitely something to keep an eye on because we're now seeing a break of the trend. So this recovery rally could be coming to an end, but we would like to see a little bit more conviction from sellers to really confirm that. So overall today we're seeing some stronger moves, some risk across the board really. The euro is still lagging a touch to the yen. It's another one that could possibly be looking to start a new counter rally. At the moment though, there's a little bit of indecision at this point in the session, but overall, the US dollar has been weaker so far today. We're seeing some very good gains from the Aussie to the dollar and the euro as well, and from the pound. So last week we did do a report about the pound possibly stalling, but that has definitely been put to bed now after that reversal on Friday, and it's followed up with this strong demand so far today. Now, oil's a little bit of an interesting one too in regards to the dollar CAD picture, because normally if the dollar CAD's lower you'd expect oil to be higher. It's not always the case, but it is one of the leading indicators. At the moment though, we're not seeing that. We're seeing slightly a bit of a lower move in oil. It's a bit more than slightly at the moment. So we're seeing a fair move lower at this point, and that's normally the mirror image of the dollar CAD. So that's why we think at the moment that a little bit more time is needed just to see some conviction from sellers, and if we will see if this is more of a US dollar weakness move or a CAD weakness move. So at the moment it looks more towards the dollar, not so much towards the CAD, with the dollar being generally lower so far at this point in the day. So we're going to be keeping an eye on the dollar CAD tonight, and we also want to keep an eye on some of these rallies that we are seeing in risk markets to see if they can continue higher and hold through into London, and then possibly through to New York, or is this just Asian session demand? But it looks a little bit more healthy than just some reverse buying at the moment. So we can see on the US 30 out of hours at the moment, we're quite a strong rally. It's 1.5% higher. So interesting start to the week for sure. And we'll be keeping an eye on the risk market rallies, and just to see if we do have a new lower high that's going to confirm after that trend break on the dollar CAD. So until tomorrow, have a fantastic day, good trading for the rest of the day, and bye for now.